Get ready for the iPhone extravaganza, folks. The delivery wizards are zipping through the streets, delivering the hottest gadgets of the season. Guess what? Our iPhone 15 Pro Max has already strutted into our lives, flaunting its tech prowess after a lightning-fast review. But hold your horses, because there's more. Another package just landed on our doorstep, and guess what's inside? The iPhone 15 Plus. Let's unbox this bad boy and get a sneak peek before the full review drops. We snagged the blue version, but hold on tight. This color ain't your usual jaw-dropper. Apple decided to tone down the hues this time, giving us a blue that's practically flirting with being mistaken for white. Sneaky, right? Even the camera island is rocking a more visible blue tint than the rest of the back. Check out the 15 Plus next to our white titanium iPhone 15 Pro Max. Can you spy those subtle blue vibes on the 15 Plus? Now flip that phone and revel in the frosted glass goodness. No more smudgy business here. And oh, did we mention the 48MP main sensor flexing its muscles on the back? It's here to dazzle, delivering 24MP images by default, just like its Pro siblings. We're gearing up to see how it stacks against the 15 Pro models and the previous 14 series. Shift your gaze to the front, where the 6.7-inch Super Retina XDR OLED screen steals the spotlight. Dynamic Island? Check. Brighter display cranking out 2000 nits outdoors? Double check. The 15 Plus is a modern marvel, leaving the notched iPhones of yesteryears in the dust. And there's no need to worry about lag. This phone is snappier than a magician's fingers, thanks to the trusty Apple A16 Bionic chip, borrowed from last year's Pro iPhones. It's built to glide through time like a tech superhero. USB-C. Heck yes. But hold up, it's still cruising at USB 2.0 speeds. Apple, we love the upgrade, but we're side-eyeing those speeds. Stay on the edge of your seat because this is just a taste. The grand feast, aka our detailed iPhone 15 Plus review, is on the horizon. Keep those eyes peeled, and while you wait, dive into our 15 Pro Max camera experiment. The Apple excitement never stops.